Today we talk about how can you enable fetch burn notifications on your BodyFast app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to fetch burning here, just clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here fetch burning notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.